How to draw a rectangle with elevation. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you how to draw a rectangle with elevation in AutoCAD. Click the Home tab. Draw panel. Then the rectangle command. Or just type REC in the command line, then click Enter. Enter E for elevation. Specify the Z value for the rectangle. The default is 0.0. Finally, specify the first corner of the rectangle. Then specify the other corner of the rectangle. Check the front view to see the elevation.